24 hours, no talking. This video is sponsored by Honey Nut Cheerios. Good morning, I slept the whole night through. All right, guys, good morning, Toa Squad. I am so excited for today. We've had a lot of comments about doing some fun 24 hours challenges, and we have brainstormed, and I think even one of you fans had mentioned this, we are gonna be doing, and the kids don't know yet, so shh, 24 hours, no talking. So basically 24 hours quiet game the entire time. And whoever talks first loses, and the winner will get a cool prize. So we're gonna have a fabulous day today, so we gotta get started. We gotta get our breakfast going. Let's see, what's for, wait, what? Is that a bee? Is that the bee? Oh, that's the Honey Nut Cheerios bee. That's what we're having for breakfast. All right, we are so excited to team up with Honey Nut Cheerios because they have a fun program going on right now. Good morning, Clay.
Hi, what's up?
Are you excited for breakfast?
Yes.
She loves Cheerios. We all love Cheerios.
These are my favorite. I'm leaving with them.
Bring me back my box.
No, it's mine.
Okay, so I'm excited to share with you something fun that Cheerios has going on right now. So Cheerios has a good rewards program going on right now, which is really cool because you get to team up with some fun celebrities, so like Team Lucy, Team MBJ, and Team Gronk. So getting in on the action is super simple. All you have to do is go to begoodrewards.com and you're gonna pick your team. So we have joined Team MBJ. And you're gonna scan the photo of the buzz coin on the back of the box. You can scan it 3 times a day, which is awesome. That helps score points for your team's charity. The team that collects the most buzz coin will win $100,000 for their charity. And so our team, MBJ, is Feeding America, and it's a cool charity. That's why we joined them. And you guys can win even cool things like pop sockets, cool tech, or even gift cards. All right, so I got my Cheerios box and I got my phone, and we are gonna scan our buzz coin. So we're gonna hit scan buzz coin. Okay, here we go, scan now. Okay, so we're gonna line this up. Oh, ready? Scan. Oh, 122 buzz coin? That's super cool. Donate to my team. It says you also earned an entry for a chance to win the grand prize of $10,000 for you and for a charity of your choice. That's cool. Okay, so we just scanned our buzz coin. I'm really excited because I hope Team MBJ will win, and it is breakfast time. All right.
I love Cheerios.
Okay, we love Honey Nut Cheerios, so we're gonna start our day off right with our favorite cereal. And remember, you get a chance to donate your buzz coin 3 times a day. So let's get started on breakfast, guys.
Yeah! Yay!
Okay, we had the best idea for today's adventure, and you guys are gonna love it because we're gonna go and explore the town and do lots of fun things. But guess what, everybody? We're doing 24 hours without talking.
No! Better talk while we can. Let's talk. Wait, Mom, can we mouth talk?
That's right. No sound at all. Who do you think is gonna win?
Oh, Mom.
Really? You're the quietest?
Mom. Of course I am. It's the ultimate game of quiet game.
I know.
Yeah.
I love quiet game.
Yeah, I'm gonna win, yeah.
Wait.
I think Cora's the loudest in the family.
And Wyatt's. Yeah.
Wyatt's pretty loud. So I want you guys to comment down below right now who you think's gonna win. Is it gonna be Clay? I don't think so. She's pretty loud. Is it gonna be Raquel? She has a good chance because she is a quiet person.
I am a quiet person, see?
On your phone. Oh, maybe we should do 24 hours without electronics.
I can do that too.
Are you gonna be a loud person or are you gonna be a quiet person, Shay? Oh, he's prepping. Cora, how about you? How about you, Wyatt? We're gonna see who's gonna win. And at the end, I think that person will get to be in charge for 24 hours. So starting right now, we're gonna be quiet for 24 hours.
I still get a vitamin. And all you guys can't talk. These are for after lunch. I mean, breakfast. Can you turn on music? Can you turn on toothpaste.
Oh! Did I hit them?
You're out!
I am not out!
Yeah?
Parking this
by
beast is
2
so
ways.
hard! Well, since I'm out, I'm gonna talk to y'all.
Yeah, me too. I get to talk to y'all too.
We are gonna do some errands because our house is coming along and I'm so excited. So we have to get a few things for one of the rooms. It's gonna be fantastic. Do you guys wanna go shopping? So you wanna like buy stuff? What kind of stuff do you wanna buy? I don't know what just happened. Did she just try to kick me in the face? Oh, she just tried to kick her sister in the face. Did you see that? That was amazing. Oh, oh. Did you want to get it? Oh, that's too bad.
Well, you have to say you do. Well, you didn't actually say it.
Let's
Too
get
bad.
going. How about you, Shay? Oh, that looks good on you. I think this is perfect for Wyatt. Are you a cat lady? I literally can't even exhale. This is like miming. This is so fun watching them not talk. Where's Shay? Do you girls know where the other kids are? Where's Shay? Shay. Wyatt. Oh.
She's right there.
Okay, Shay, come on.
But where's Wyatt?
Where's Wyatt? I may have lost a silent child in the store. Wyatt. Hello. Oh. Were you trying to call like that? Well, you spoke, buddy. Join the ranks of the speakers.
Yeah, we can talk.
You tried. Rykel's being very quiet. I think she wants to win. Look, guys, I found the Halloween section. Let's find some cool things, huh?
The number you are trying to reach is not available.
Whoa, that's crazy.
I'm coming for you.
Did you answer the phone? Is somebody on it? Who are you talking to, Cora? Oh. I tried to get her to talk and she wouldn't even do it. Whoa, that's cool.
I'm keeping an eye on you.
Wow. I'm gonna break you, Raquel. That's crazy. Look at these costumes. Oh my, creepy. It's a unicorn. That's so crazy. What about you, Clay? You gonna be a avocado? Yeah. Oh, you're so avocado cute. Oh, she spoke. Cora's out. Oh, she tried to show Clay. Is it creepy? That is really creepy. Okay, we've been shopping for a long time, and I'm super impressed. Oh, cutie, what can talk now. I'm super impressed that the other kids are not talking. So they've been doing really, really good.
It's Buzz. He's reminding us to scan our Buzz coin. Yeah, we need to go home right now. Come on, let's go.
Okay, well, we rushed home really fast. Evie reminded me that it's time to do the Buzz coin again. So we're gonna do that right now. Remember, you get 3 chances a day to scan your Buzz coin. So here we go, number 2. And we're scanning 126 Buzz coin. Let's donate that to the team. Whoop, whoop. Okay, time to get dinner quietly. And then maybe we'll play some games.
Yeah.
Who is gonna make it? Is it gonna be Shay, Raquel, or Clay? Are you good at playing the quiet game? Hey, Shay, we're making Caesar salad, so you get to wash the lettuce, and then you can cut it when you're done washing, okay?
Can I put the tomato potato?
Hey, there you go. Go take them. Go wash them. Okay, Raquel is gonna go and get the shredded cheese out of the freezer. You got it? Good job. And so quietly. Okay, Clay, you get to mix your favorite Caesar salad for dinner. Mix it really good, Clay.
No, I want first.
Oh, ho, ho. You just couldn't handle it.
Looks so good.
I wish some of them would be more quiet.
But I'm
Can't
still
handle it.
in. I mean out. Yes, I want.
All right, it looks like Shay could not handle it.
Raquel and Clay, 2 people.
That's right.
People.
It's 2 people left. Are you arguing in
No,
line?
none of you.
Stop it. We have just finished dinner and it was yummy, and now I think it's time before like it gets, it's like getting really dark. We play a game. Cora, do you want to play maybe tag? Ooh, what about freeze tag?
Freeze tag.
Now we have this wide open living room. I think tag is gonna get these girls to talk. Ready, set, go.
It's Buzz! He's reminding us to do our Buzz coin points so we can win!
Okay, let's scan the
Wyatt,
Buzz
get it!
coin. Wyatt! Okay, got the Honey Nut Cheerio box. It's time to scan. 105 Buzz coin points!
Wow!
Okay, that was the 3rd time, and we donated our Buzz coin to our favorite team, Team MBJ, so we're excited. Now we're gonna play our game. Ready? Tag, you're it!
Sorry, Cora. No, I didn't tag you, Cora. Yes.
All right, that's it, Clay. She laughed. Clay's out! Raquel is the official winner.
Wait, since Raquel won the talk challenge, she shouldn't be able to talk because it's a consequence.
No, because I held it in the longest I should be able to talk, and you guys didn't, because you were able to talk, so now you don't get to talk.
Oh, snap.
Kaboom! Whoa, it feels weird to talk, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whatever, you've been talking like half the day, Corba.
Yeah.
This was such a fun game. I think we should instigate quiet time game all the time, and Mom will have like a quiet house. It'll be awesome. Comment down below what other 24-hour challenges or fun games we should do.
Do a big thumbs up if you like this video.
And don't forget to collect your Buzz coin. And do good!
So, like Raquel said, collect your Buzz coin from your Honey Nut Cheerios box, and you can donate to them to your favorite team and their charity. So, if you want to join our team, we're on Team MBJ, and that donates to Feeding America, which is super awesome because everybody deserves to have a good meal on their table. So, if you guys had fun with us tonight, make sure you guys comment down below. We want to thank
Honey Nut Cheerios! sponsoring this video.
And make sure to subscribe down below.
To join our toy squad, because we're the Ohana Avenger.
Cool. All right, thanks for hanging out, everybody. Keep watching because Raquel won this challenge, and that means she gets to be in charge in our next Teen Controls the Day. So comment below what you want her to do on her Teen Controls the Day, and we will keep watching and give you guys a shout out if we use your idea.
Mahalo!
Найти. И если все еще дышишь, значит включи заново, чтобы звучало более пышно. Пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект, эффектом феефект, лови эффект кипит. Так наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины. Без стиля, без усилий, мы лишь вирус на любом носителе. И мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем. Ведь разум подчиняется звукам, и эта мания подобна настоящей магии, что разрывает от начала до конца твое сознание.
One.